how to sell print-on-demand products on eBay and other websites that are similar to it. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Printify to sell your print-on-demand products on eBay or on Amazon or any other website that you want to sell on. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to printify.com, and over here what I want you guys to do is just simply sign up. So click on the sign up button at the top right corner, and once you've clicked on it, this is how the website will look like. And over here you just simply have to enter in your email address, your password, and then just simply clear this reCAPTCHA box, or you can just simply continue with Google. I would recommend continuing with Google because it is much quicker and it saves a lot of time, and you don't have to enter in all the information manually. You just simply create an account with a single click of a button. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google and create an account, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. And once you have done that, they are going to ask you of two questions. Basically, what describes you the best, and are you already selling? So go ahead and answer these questions the way you want to. So I'm going to describe myself as a content creator. And are you already selling? Yes, I have an online store. Yes, I sell offline. No, but I'm looking to start selling. No, I will print for an event. I'm just playing around. So I'm going to go ahead and click on no, but I'm looking to start selling, and click on next. And over here, you can select up to 4 products that you want to sell. So what are the products that you are interested in? Well, basically, I think that clothes and accessories and stuff like that sell the most. So I'm going to go ahead and click on men's t-shirt, and I'm going to click on women's t-shirts. I'm going to click on posters, and then I'm going to click on sweatshirts, and then click on continue. And now, as you can see, we have already completed first step. We have to create a Printify account. Next, we have to design your first product, add a store name, add your personal details, and connect your store and start selling. So let's go ahead and design our product. Now guys, I do have to tell you that if you are good at creating stuff, such as if you're good at creating artwork on Illustrator or Photoshop or whichever software you use, so then this type of job is perfect for you, because you get to show your creativity and make some money off of it as well. But if you're someone like me who isn't talented at creating artwork and stuff like that, well, what do you do? Well, I have a solution for you that really works. So I know you must have heard me said it before, but I have a website where I get all these images and for free, because all those images are public domain images, which means that they are free of copyright strike. So I'm going to show you guys what that website is called. So the website is called Raw Pixels. Now this website is an amazing website. Here you can get all the free stock images, artworks, illustrations, retro images, vintage images, all the images that you need for absolutely free. And I know I have talked about this website before, and I've said it before, and I'll say it again. This is an amazing website. It has a lot of features, guys. So to find some artworks and illustrations, just simply click on the public domain option over here, and over here you'll be able to find all these different images over here. And over here you have some raw pixels, you have some botanicals, you have animals, you have basically the categories at the top right here. We have some artists over here, we have ornaments, and we have Japanese style over here. Let's just go with the Japanese style. So let's just try to find a product that is really amazing, guys. And I think this one would look really amazing on as a poster, guys. So I don't see that image that I saw in the thumbnails, so I'm just gonna go back and search for another one. So let's just go over to the world over here, and over here we can see all these different images and paintings. These are basically old style photographs and stuff like that. And we're over here at graphics design. Now over here we can find some really amazing art. Let's just go over here at the Buddhist, and this image over here. Now this is a pretty cool design, I do have to say so myself. It's not the best, but I think it'll get the job done for the sake of this video. So let's just go ahead and download it. Click on download, save that image, and now once you have that image, go back to Printify, and over here you can just simply start editing your products. So let's just choose this t-shirt that we want to edit. Now over here, this is basically a plain t-shirt, and you have to understand, but when you choose a product, you have to choose the print provider. So basically these are all the print providers for this particular shirt. Each product will have different print providers, and what you have to look for is the price and the shipping of that specific provider, because and the amount of days it's going to take them to ship, because these are very important details. And if you mess up and you find someone who isn't that great at printing objects and takes a lot of fees, then you're basically going at a loss, guys. So find a one that is really awesome. And over here, basically at the top, we have 9.8 ratings on all these print providers. So this one takes at least $4 for the price for printing, and it takes additional $4 for shipping. So this one takes almost $8.30 for printing, and he takes over $4 for shipping. So 8 plus 4, that's $12 over there, and it will take him 2 days to arrive. So I think that's pretty good. So let's just choose this one over here, Dimona T, and click on start designing. And over here, you just simply have to upload your design. So click on add your design. So basically you can add text, you can add the images that you want from your device, from Dropbox or Shutterstock. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my device, and I'm going to choose this design over here. Wait for a couple of seconds for the file to be uploaded and added to the library. And this is how it basically looks like. Let's just resize it a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. So yeah, let's just keep it like that. And then we can add different layers as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one and add another design that I kept. This poster right here. I kept it for a poster from a previous video, but I think it'll look really nice on a shirt as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that one over here. Let's just see if it loads up. Yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty good, pretty decent over here. And then you can add a different layer, and you can add text to it as well. I'm gonna write over here, and then you can add a different layer over here as well. If you don't want, you can just leave it like that. And then you can also edit the back side of this as well. You can add another layer. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a text, and I'm gonna say animal, and I'm gonna write in. So that is it. Delete that and shorten that up a little bit so that it fits over here. And I'm going to put this at the top right over here. It's perfectly aligned, and I think that looks pretty nice. So this is the front view, this is the back view, and then just simply click on save product. And over here you can also add different colors to it as well. So I'm going to add in a black color as well. So backside, it looks like this, and I'm going to change the color for this black one to white, and for the white it's basically black. And I'm going to add this one over here. So I'm gonna choose the color of the text as to black, and for the black it's white. So that is how you do it. So basically I had trouble, configuring the black and white colors of these two shirts. So for black, if you want to edit it, you have to click on this color, and then just click on this over here, which says add a specific design for this shirt, and then you can make a specific design for that shirt as well. So this is how it's going to look at the front side, and this is how it will look from the back. And once you have added all the colors and images, you can also add in different prices and variants. So as you can see over here, you can have different prices for different colors and stuff like that. And once you have done all of that, just simply click on save product, and then just select this product, and over here you can just simply click on create order, and they will start creating order, guys. And once you have done adding all the other products as well, you can just simply connect your new store to whichever website that you want to sell your print on demand website. So if we click on not connected, we can connect Shopify, we can connect Etsy, we can connect a Wix, WooCommerce, eBay, PrestaShop, BigCommerce, all these different websites where we can sell our own print on demand products. So click on eBay and wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, and over here you're able to create a eBay account, and you'll be able to connect your Printify store once you have logged on. So that is how you create one. Next, we have to change the name of our store. So click on manage store, and over here you can basically change the name of your business over here, add in the name of your business, your full name, your phone number, and stuff like that, addresses as well. So Printify also supports all the major countries in the world. And then down below you will have payments, and over here you can add in a payment method. You can either set up a credit card / debit card, or add a balance from PayPal as well. And you can also have access to Printify Premium with a subscription based payment, and you can earn more Printify Premium. Subscribe today and get 20% off on discounts on all product, plus a one-time bonus of $25 in Printify credits as well. So that is pretty awesome. So that is it, guys. That is all the things that you needed to know about Printify and how you can sell your print on demand products on different websites such as Etsy or eBay or Wix. So having said that, I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.